guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eats, where I show you super quick videos about how to make your favorite foods. Today we're going to be making a skillet cookie without the skillet, and it's super sweet and yummy and just melts in your mouth. Let's get started. So first, let's melt 5 tablespoons of butter and add a 1/4 cup of white sugar to a regular baking dish, along with a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Now let's put in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1 1/4 cups of flour. Now let's add our chocolate chips and chocolate chunks, however much you like. Here I'm adding 3/4 cup. Now I'm going to mix it all together to make sure that the chocolate chips are embedded in the dough, and then make it nice and uniform in the pan. Now bake it at 375 for 10 minutes and you have a warm chocolate chip cookie skillet without even using a skillet. It's super yummy and delicious and sweet and melts in your mouth. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for the next video on 1 Minute Eats.